It's the 85 Pete. What's up, you guys? Got the dump truck on. I just wanted to set the bed down and test out the air horn so you guys can see. Also the air filter, check that out. I think that looks pretty sweet looking, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Deep blue color, it's kind of shiny, kind of like the chrome and stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys right up here on the hood. Hopefully the audio turns out good. Wife, my son, and me. Brian's gonna honk the air horn for the first time, so my wife's gonna video that. Yeah, so we got those lights. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you all the lights that light up. That way you guys will know. That one lights up. That one lights up. Those both light up. Those, all three of them light up, but that one I broke the bulb bending that thing back. That one lights up. It's missing the top one. That one isn't lit up. Not lit up. Obviously those turn signals aren't lit up. I haven't fixed them yet. Okay. Oh geez, that's loud. That's loud, huh? That is so cool. That is so loud. Okay. Ow! That's my truck, woman. Do you want to shut it off? That red button. Push it in. Nope, nope, the other one. Push it in.